Many persons want to make money online, but the question is, how do you identify a legitimate platform that can actually pay you your desired cash? How? In a previous video I shared 3 tips with you guys on how to identify fake money making platform. I hope that video you were able to get some vital information, and it's going to help you know how to identify these fake platforms from real platform. And that is what this video today is going to be all about. Hello guys, and welcome to HGS Media Plus TV. In this channel we teach you guys how to make money online with various platforms, and also we share viral videos to you guys so as to keep you entertained at your leisure time. Now, going further, in today's video I'm going to be unveiling to you a very particular platform you can use to make money online. And if you can stay a little longer with me in this video, I assure you you're going to benefit from this very platform. Now let's dive right in. The next screen you're going to be seeing is a screen record of this platform, showing you how to navigate and how to use this platform to make money at your own leisure time. Let's dive right in.
All right, guys, this is the platform, Farms Up Tax, and this is how the website looks like. You can see N Easy Cash Online. So we're going to log in right now. I already have an account on this platform, so we're going to be using this account for the purpose of this video. Now, moving on. Yep, this is it. You can see tax, earn cash for completing tax, and the tax you have to simply complete right here is to engage in social media tax, liking, commenting, following, joining groups, and all of that, as you can see. And right beside every tax, the earning is indicated there. You see some of 5 naira, you see some of 7.5 naira. What you just need to do is engage in all of these tasks, and as you do that, you continually to accumulate earnings until you now get to your minimum threshold before you can withdraw. These are all the tasks right here, and the tasks are endless. There are no stop to any task you can do except you choose to stop. Okay, now in this other section here we have the referral section, and like most of you would know, to refer other people to engage and you get more earnings. And as you can see, earn 6% of whatever your referral earns, which means the more referral you earn, you refer to this platform, you tend to earn 6% of all their earnings, right? That is for referral option here. Then we also have the withdraw option right here. As you can see, I have 55 naira already so far that I've earned. Let me also remind you guys that the minimum withdrawal for this platform is 500 naira. Okay, now the reason you're seeing this 55 naira here is because this is a new account. I created this for the purpose of this video, and that is why you're seeing this cash there. I haven't really engaged in it because I just wanted to use it to, explain this platform to you guys, right? The minimum threshold is 500 naira. So if you want to withdraw, this is how you do. These are the ways to input your details. Just click on the withdrawal button right there. When you click on that withdrawal button, you get a feed like this where you put your account number, your bank name, and amount you want to withdraw. Now, one interesting thing about this platform is when you put your account number and your bank name, it automatically identify your name from your bank account. So you don't necessarily need to put your your own personal name, like your bank name. Just put your account number and your bank name, and your name as it is your bank account will pop up. Now I'm putting in my account number, as you can see, and once that is done, I have to select the name of the bank I'm using. So you're gonna see what I'm trying to explain to you. I'm gonna scroll through to find my bank, and I'm looking for Sterling Bank. Okay, that's Sterling Bank. And once that is done, your name automatically pops out, as you can see, but I'm blanking that name for security reasons, obviously. Then you see your name is automatically popped up. Now in that box there, all you need to now do is put the amount you want to withdraw and click withdraw. But like I said before, the minimum withdrawal amount here is $500 naira. Sorry, and when you put an insufficient withdrawal amount, it's going to show you this, which says minimum withdrawal is 500 naira, which means your withdrawal has to be from 500 naira upwards, right? So guys, this is it. I don't want to waste too much time on this platform explaining much, because this is pretty much all you need to do. Engage in this tax, get your minimum withdrawal amount or even more, and withdraw directly into your bank account within minutes. Trust me, I have used this, it works. This account is a bit scanty because I had to create a new account for the purpose of this video. So guys, go ahead and try this platform. It's good. And let me also remind you that this platform requires you to be consistent. It means you have to be consistent. Consistency is what this platform requires, because some of you will say, the money you are to earn is quite small and all of that. Trust me, consistency is only what will build your earnings to a great length. Okay guys, all right.
Alright guys, that's it. Farms Up Tax, the platform you can use to make money online. I know some of you will be wondering, the earnings in that platform is a bit small and all of that. Trust me guys, you need consistency to be able to make a whole lot of money in that platform. Okay, but trust me, like I said before, it is legit, it works. I have tried it. If it didn't work, I won't bring it here for you guys to try. So if you feel you find that a platform good enough for you to, give it a try, why not go ahead, take your time and explore that site. Okay, and yes, if you find this video informative, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at HGS Media Plus TV. Do not also forget to give us a thumbs up, yes, like our video, and share to other persons, your friends, family, loved ones, so that they can also benefit from this same platform. Trust me guys, I will come your way again with another fresh video and with another platform. Okay, till we come your way another time, see you guys, bye bye.